You're not going to believe what scientists just found. In 2025, researchers around the world uncovered 7 brand new animal species, and some of them look like they belong on another planet. One glows from its throat like a lantern. Another walks silently across desert sand without ever needing to drink. And one was pulled from nearly 4,000 meters under the sea, completely transparent and without eyes. These aren't mythical creatures. They're real. And they prove how little we still know about the natural world. Let's dive straight into the 7 most fascinating animals discovered in 2025. First is the blue-spotted reef crawler, found near the untouched coral systems off Papua New Guinea. This marine creature is no larger than a coin and flashes pulses of blue light when startled. Its body is soft and paper-thin, making it almost invisible as it slides through coral passages. Scientists think its glow serves as both a defense and a signal to others in its group. When it rests, it folds its body flat and becomes indistinguishable from surrounding coral fragments. Second is the treetop lantern lizard, discovered in the upper canopy of Brazil's Amazon rainforest. It emits a warm orange glow from a gland under its throat during the evening hours. The light isn't bright, but just strong enough to be seen from a short distance. Researchers believe it's a social signal, possibly used to attract mates or coordinate movement. The lizard lives at heights of over 20 meters, leaping between branches with remarkable balance. Until now, its glow had been mistaken for fireflies. Third, the dusk-masked bat was found in the shaded cave systems of Laos. This insectivorous bat has a striking dark facial mask that contrasts with the pale skin of its wings. Its high-frequency call is entirely new to researchers, not matching any known local bat species. It uses short, sharp pulses of sound to map its environment and avoid collisions. Unlike most bats that leave at night, this one exits its roost at twilight and returns before midnight, a behavior that likely helps it avoid competition. Fourth is the sandwalker antelope, discovered in the deep deserts of eastern Chad. Its most unique feature is its padded hooves designed to move silently across sand dunes without sinking. It has large nostrils and long lashes to protect against blowing sand. The antelope can survive long periods without water, deriving hydration from roots and early morning dew. Its pale, sandy coat helps it vanish into the landscape. Some local herders had reported sightings for years, but its speed and camouflage kept it hidden from scientists until now. Fifth is the deep-fin ghostfish, filmed by deep-sea drones over 3,900 meters below the ocean surface in the Mariana Trench. This fish has no pigment, no eyes, and a skeleton made of soft cartilage. It floats slowly, using its long, ribbon-like fins to drift rather than swim. Its sense of awareness comes from detecting subtle shifts in water pressure and temperature. It feeds on microscopic organisms carried by deep ocean currents. This species adds to a growing list of bizarre life found in extreme marine conditions. Sixth is the glass-winged dragonfly, discovered in Southeast Asia's marshy wetlands. Its wings are so clear they disappear in sunlight, leaving only a thin, dark outline that's barely visible in flight. Its body is metallic green with subtle streaks of sky blue, reflecting the vegetation around it. This dragonfly hovers low over water, hunting mosquitoes and gnats with incredible speed. It's nearly impossible to photograph without specialized cameras, and researchers had to rely on thermal tracking to follow its flight paths. Seventh, the red-spotted mountain toad was found at elevations over 3,000 meters in the eastern Himalayas. About the size of a coin, this toad blends into moss and stone with its mottled green skin. Its red spots mimic alpine berries, helping it hide from predators. It hibernates underground for most of the year, only surfacing during spring thaws when meltwater pools form. It's one of few known amphibians with natural cold resistance, able to survive light freezes without harm. How are animals like this still being discovered in the modern world? Thanks to drones, thermal imaging, and underwater robotics, researchers can now explore places that were unreachable just a few years ago. Caves, canopies, and ocean trenches are finally being mapped in detail. But it's not just machines. Local guides and indigenous communities often provide clues, describing strange sounds, tracks, or flashes of light seen for years. When science and field knowledge come together, new discoveries follow. Why do these discoveries matter? Many of these species likely exist in fragile ecosystems. Without attention and conservation, they could disappear just as quickly as they were found. Every new animal discovered adds a piece to the puzzle of how life adapts, survives, and thrives. From glowing coral dwellers to nearly invisible insects, these creatures remind us that Earth still holds secrets, and that the age of discovery is far from over. If you're fascinated by wildlife, strange creatures, and hidden corners of our planet, subscribe to NatureCrest for more rare animal stories. And be sure to check out our video on 5 rare sea creatures of 2025, with footage of real underwater animals that scientists only recently filmed for the very first time.